mtoto wangu ameenda hivyo.
Kinyuiro-ini giki kia maguta kia Rubis kiria kiri itura-ini ria Thome gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kasarani niho Austin Macharia mundurume wa ukuru wa miaka 24 aracemanirie na gikuo giake thutha wa kurathwo ni murunawe uria ukurikanite ta Peter Langat mari ngari-ini thiini. Agikira ndeto ino mukonde kamanda wa borithi sub county-ini ya Nairobi Alois Boya oigite Austin Macharia arahurirwo rithathi ya mutwe ni murunawe akiuga uthuthuria wa kiria kiracungiriirie ngero ino ni wambiriirie niguo ningi kumenya kana mwikuirwo ari na marua ma kumwitikiria gukorwo na mushinga.
He didn't like even fighting and such. He was very calm. Very calm. Even in the house at times we could serve dinner and we forget about him because he's so quiet. At times he's in the bedroom.
He's a young man who would never hurt a fly, but he has to die in a bullet. For what reason?
Ona kuri guo family ya Macharia ni hoete uthuthuria baranginyo utafanio na ihenya niguo mone kihoto kia mwana wao makiuga darari na uthu na mundu.
I know he won't wake, but I just want that justice for him.
It doesn't have to die. A 24-year boy, surely, who had a future. We just need, as a family, we just need justice. I'm the uncle. It feels.
Hamwe no guo kiama kia mawakiri LSK nigikumithitie njuragano eno na makinyiriirie ni meguthingata hari gutigirira family ino ni ona kihoto na oho gutigirira mwikuirwo ni atacukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
The owner of the premises he wanted to do it formally, and he said that he wanted an order that allows him to share that CCTV formally with the police, and the police have informed us that they are actually in the process of obtaining a court order to go and serve him with the same. So no, we do not have any CCTV surveillance that we can ascertain with at this moment.
Austin. Hey!
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.